Every planet you see, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, all began the same way, as a tiny grain of dust floating in a violent storm around a newborn star. But how does something so small become a world? A place with mountains, oceans, and maybe even life? Today, we're traveling billions of years into the past to witness the birth of a planet from the very beginning. Before any planet existed, the universe was just clouds of gas and dust drifting in space. Then, one day, gravity pulled those clouds together and a star ignited at the center. A young, raging sun burning with unimaginable energy. Around it, a spinning disk of rock, ice, and metal formed. This disk was a disaster zone. Collisions everywhere, objects smashing each other to pieces. It wasn't peaceful. It was brutal. But inside that chaos, the building blocks of future planets were forming. In this dusty disk, tiny particles began sticking together. Static electricity and weak forces glued them into pebbles. Then, pebbles collided to become boulders, and boulders merged into mountain-sized rocks, called planetesimals. Some failed and shattered. Others survived, growing larger with every collision. The bigger they became, the stronger their gravity pulled in more material. This was the universe's version of snowballing. A small rock growed and growed and grows, until one day, it isn't a rock anymore. It's the core of a future planet. Now things get terrifying. These early worlds were constantly smashing into each other. Imagine two objects the size of Mars, colliding at tens of thousands of kilometers per hour. Explosions large enough to melt planets, shockwaves strong enough to reshape entire worlds. This is how our moon was formed, from a catastrophic impact between the early Earth and another planet-sized body. The debris from that explosion fused together and became the moon we see today. During this era, planets didn't form, they survived. After millions of years of collisions, destruction, and rebuilding, a stable world finally emerges. The surface cools, atmospheres form, oceans appear if the temperature is right. Volcanoes sculpt the land. Gravity gives the world shape, and the chaos slowly fades. A planet is born, not in silence, but in fire, violence, and cosmic storms. And somewhere out there, in another young solar system, this exact process is happening right now. Maybe creating a world that could one day host life. So next time you look up at the night sky, remember this. Every planet, including Earth, was once just dust in a storm. It took chaos to create something beautiful. And in the grand story of the universe, that beauty is still being written.